All right, one more thing you know to become ratio experts, which you will be soon. We are going to look at using ratios to explore categorical data. Don't let the word scare you. The word categorical simply means that ratios have been assigned to categories, just a way to organize things. Data is information, so categorical data simply means that data is going to be compared in a table, and we're looking at them in ratio form. So here's your example. Several students name their favorite flavor of gum. Write the ratio that compares the number who chose fruit to the total number of students. So it's an easy problem. I'm just taking it step by step for you. Notice whenever you are using ratios, two things are being compared. So what two things are being compared? The number who chose fruit to those who are in the total number of students. So two things are being compared. Then we have a table here. This is where our things are categorized, and we can see we have different flavors of gum: peppermint, need a T there, cinnamon, fruit, and spearmint. And then we see the number of students who responded with their favorites. So if we look at the fruit, we can see there are 3 people who said they like fruit. Now we just, in order to make that comparison with our ratio, those who chose fruit to the total number of students, we just add up all the responses. So we have 9 peppermint, 8 cinnamon. We have to include the 3 fruit as part of the total, and 1 spearmint. So when we add those up, we get 21 responses in all. So to rewrite it as a ratio, we have fruit flavor responses is 3, total responses is 21. Just like fractions, we need to simplify our ratio. What's the GCF of 3 and 21? I know from all my work with factors, it's 3. So what do I do to simplify? I divide the numerator, which is 3, and the denominator, which is 21, by the GCF, which I said is 3. So 3 divided by 3 is 1, and 21 divided by 3 is 7. So the ratio is, again, I can write it 3 different ways. Word form, 1 to 7, colon, 1 to 7, or fraction form, 1 to 7. Let's write this in a final statement. So what I can say is 1 out of every 7 students preferred fruit flavored gum. So 1 out of every 7 students preferred fruit flavored gum. What flavor do you prefer? I don't really like to chew gum, but I think if I had to, I would pick spearmint. All right, like that really matters, but there you go. There's your lesson. You're all experts on ratios, I hope. Come back to class and tell me what you know.